VivoSense property panel can be displayed by clicking on the cog toolbar button here. For each channel, we can view the channel, chart and plot properties. The channel properties can be accessed by clicking on the channel name in the Data Explorer here, or by clicking on its name in the Synchronized Chart panel here. Properties highlighted in black can be edited. As we look at the channel properties for the trend heart rate channel, we can see that we can edit the trend overlap, trend type and trend window width. When we do this, our plot in the Synchronized Chart panel will update based on the newly set channel properties. To select the plot properties, click on the plot icon in the Synchronized Chart panel. The plot properties allow us to customize our plots by changing colors and plot formats. Let's change the color of our trend heart rate plot now. The chart properties can be accessed by right-clicking in the Synchronized Chart panel and selecting the chart properties from the context menu. Here we can make changes to the chart itself. Let's change the name of this chart to be more relevant. Once we are happy with the information displayed in our Synchronized Chart panel, we may want to save this layout for use with future captured data sessions. Here we have some previously defined layout modules, but let's save our own. To create a layout, right-click in the Synchronized Chart panel and choose Layouts, Save. We can create a new layout under the User folder. Right-click here and select New Folder to create a new folder for our layout. Now type in the name of the layout here and hit OK. Our new layout appears here. Let's test our layout. First, we should clear out our Synchronized Chart panel. To empty the Synchronized Chart panel, use the Empty Layout button here. You can use this empty layout to clear your Synchronized Chart panel at any time. Now let's choose a different layout, such as this predefined layout for actigraphy. We will see a default actigraphy layout appear. We can clear out this layout using our empty layout and get our original layout back now. VivoSense annotations allow us to mark regions of our time series data for particular attention. To understand annotations best, let's look at the title volume for this session. We will need to empty out our Synchronized Chart panel and place title volume in the Synchronized Chart panel. We see in the title volume a region where the respiration seems to stop. Let's zoom in on it. We now want to mark this region as a breath hold. To do this, left-click and drag the mouse across the region. When the mouse button is released, we can choose Annotation, Add from the context menu. The region will be marked. We can edit some of the properties of the annotation, such as the name and color. The Annotation Manager allows us to view and browse through our saved annotations. Clicking on an annotation will center our Synchronized Chart panel on the annotation. VivoSense allows us to quickly export our data to ASCII to be viewed or further analyzed. We use the Export Manager to create and manage our export configurations. We can see some previously defined export modules here. To create a new export configuration, select the User folder, right-click and choose New Configuration. Let's give it a name. We then right-click on this new configuration and add timestamps and channel data from our session. To export the data, go to the Session menu and select Export. From here, we can choose to export our data configuration, the statistics for our data configuration, our annotations, or a subset of our data. Let's export our data. We can select the start time, duration, and save location and file name for our export. We then select the export configuration here. We will select the new configuration we saved earlier. Pressing OK will create a CSV file with our export data. To finish off, let's save our session file as a VSN file. This can be done by hitting the Save button here or using the File menu, Save or Save As.